Coming up next.
The Pro Audio Suite. Sneak peek.
While technically it's obsolete, there's people out there who are figuring out workarounds for all this stuff as well.
Yeah.
There's probably people out there using 2009 Mac Pros.
You would think so.
You know, maybe if Robert was here, he would probably say me.
He definitely would.
He's not afraid to keep old machines running and tuned. And our buddy Jeff Berlin, I always see him posting on various chats and saying how I keep old Macs running. And then that became a discussion of security concerns, because once a Mac becomes obsolete, which is about 10 years, they do not push up security updates anymore, right? So now you're on your own to be careful.
Yeah, exactly. Right. I mean, I think the reason that Robert doesn't actually sell his gear because no one wants to buy it, because they're always looking for equipment that comes out of a smoke-free environment.
Yeah, well, there's always that, isn't there?
That could be it.
Yeah,
that could be it.
Now, oh my God! The Pro Audio Suite. Thanks to Tribooth and Austrian Audio. Listen now on your favorite podcast provider.